Today in this video we will learn about how to set up Knowledgebase in WHMCS. For that, log into WHMCS and then go to Client area. Now click on Knowledgebase. Now here we can see that there are no articles found, which means we need to enter or provide some articles in our WHMCS backend panel. So for that, go to Knowledgebase inside Support section. Now here you can add a category. Enter the description and click on Add Category. Now add the article for which you want to add or submit or display in the website. Once you have provided the subject of the article, now write the whole body of that article. You can also select the priority display order through which it will synchronize or sort from top or bottom. Now once you have finished editing or writing the article, click on Save Changes. Now the article is added successfully. Therefore, again, you can go to Knowledgebase from front end in the client area section, and then you can see your article which you wrote just now. Once you click on that article, the article is completely visible now.